Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I procrastinated a lot for Black Friday since like Rally Sport and everybody is having like a lot of deals, and there's a 15% off code from Invidia. So if you guys want to shoot over to his Instagram, it's on his story. On top of whatever sale Rally Sport is having, RallySportDirect.com. So I'm scrambling right now because I have to work today, and the England versus US World Cup game was on, and then my wife just had a huge migraine, and so a lot going on today where I couldn't come here and like look around or work on anything. So what we're gonna do today, like I said, is I'm gonna walk around the engine bay and look around and see what I can quickly get for Black Friday that I can foresee as needing on this car. The big question marks I'm having right now, let me flip this around. The big question marks I'm having is I cannot find a MAF sensor right here. I just, like, this is not it. This is O2 sensor. So I'm drawing a big blank of where that is. I don't know if there's like a MAF relocation like kit or something and you moved it somewhere. I can't figure that out. Also, he deleted this expansion tank. As you can see, it's plugged up right here. So yeah, there's that. Which I was gonna go out to the other car outside and look at that as well. So I mean, I need an expansion tank for the engine going into the WRX anyway. So I'm definitely getting one of those, Micheline one. Yeah, I just gotta figure out this MAF sensor situation. So there's that. What else? I can't figure out. I'm pretty sure this is a boost sensor gauge. That's what I'm looking for. But it's also hooked up to the manifold. I'm pretty sure this is what the manifold. So I'm not sure if it's like a just a regular like temperature gauge hooked up to like, it's like, where's the T? See, it's like teed off on the same line. Sort of. But at the beginning they're teed off. And then this line runs. This is like a boost line. I don't know. And it's also teed off. So I don't know when it runs back. Oh, I'm stupid. This might be the washer reservoir. Windshield washer fluid. So it runs in there. That's what I'm thinking. That's probably a windshield washer fluid. Why is it teed off? Figure that out. I'm trying to figure out that gauge. I'm trying to figure out like this. Oh, that this is what's hooked up to like the manifold down there. All right, now we got some light. Where was I? Yeah. So let's see down here. It's like right in there where it's like leaking. You see where it's leaking, like right there. That is like connected to this, which just went somewhere, and then it goes to that T and then to these two sensors. So I gotta figure that out. I gotta figure like where this goes. These were hooked up to the oh my gosh, that thing, top mounted intercooler. There it is, top mounted intercooler. So then that's the PCV line. So I gotta figure out what he did. That's the coolant line right there. What he did to cap this off to not have expansion. And I've been trying to figure out, I've been trying to look over here, down looking to see if he has a E85 center, because let's see if this will do it. Ah, it did it. Okay. That way. Because he left me this goodie. So, yeah. He obviously is running E85. I'm just not sure how much. So, there's that. Also, I was looking at this again, and then that thing finally broke off, so I gotta redo all that. Just ground wire to pump number 2. So, yeah. So we're gonna be doing that. I'll probably time lapse most of me like looking around, and then we'll jack up the rear, take out the tires, and then see if we can take his rear diff off. Clean up the rear diff. Well, I'm gonna clean it up first, see what actually is going on, and then that's a lot better than I thought it was. See what's actually going on, and then I'll see if I need to take it out or not. While I'm at it, I'm probably gonna. Well, I'm gonna look under there to see if he has a transmission mount or like a solid transmission mount or not. I'm going to see if he has like solid shifter linkage. What else am I looking for? One more thing. Those are like definite buys for me. That I like doing. But yeah, I mean, if I clean it up, drain. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drain the transmission fluid from the rear diff and transmission. Clear all that out. So, update on parts though. I did order a turbo today, just regular stock VF 45, 48. I think it's VF 45. From like 2019 STI. I only have 30,000 miles on it. Got to sell it for like $400. I'm not sure. Might as well. And then I got the Killer Bee cast oil pan. So it comes with the oil pickup, the windage tray, and the cast oil pan. Holds like 40% more oil. Has an NPT plug and an M20 plug. I mean M21. For the holes, I got the NPT plug with it. So I bought the guy off of Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, both those things coming in, and then about making a big order, and then switch it back over. Told you this thing's going away. That's all I'm going to say about that. That'll be a sneak peek for you guys there. That'll be a separate video, surprise video or something. And then I'm trying to see if I want to order it now or not. I want to order the WRX Daily, like 8-inch touchscreen radio thing. But that's probably later down the line because I want to get the engine working first. With this big purchase, I'm needing a downpipe as well, which I might purchase from like a used one off another guy or something. I have 3 pipes, so I'm trying to get headers for this one too. This one has stock headers. But yeah, well, got a big list to make, so jack this thing up, look at the other car, drain transmission fluid, clean up the rear diff, and most likely tear it out. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm going to the rear of the car now because I cannot find that mass sensor to save my life. Like, if it was a snake, it would have bit me. Like, it's bothering the shit out of me. Because, what am I supposed to do? Like, I'm supposed to go speed density, but there's no mass sensor. So, like, what the hell? You can't cut it and then hide it? Rewire a whole engine on it. I don't know. It's literally been bothering the hell out of me. It's not where the intake is. It's supposed to be. So, drop a comment if you guys know where it could be. But anyway, we're gonna try to get this exhaust off finally. Really bad shape, and then oh crap, it's so bad. We are gonna try and clean this up.